Okay guys, we just got finished another sheath for another custom knife. All leather work is done in-house. Knives are done in-house. That's 1095 with white oak handles, brass pins. Yes, they do cut paper. You guys, I'm tired of seeing that. But also it's good for if you do some kind of woodworking. Not woodworking really, but outdoor feather sticking and stuff. They work well. Check us out, you guys. Like, subscribe, check out the channel. We got a lot of good content. Appreciate it. Take care.